Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Nintendo Switch 2 serial number. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're talking to customer support and they need your serial number. How do you actually go ahead and find that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and hop into System Settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on where it says System. So from here, you can actually scroll down even more. And you're going to find this option here that says serial information. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you click on serial information, you're going to see that you have serial numbers for your system, battery, Joy-Con 2, and Joy-Con left. So go ahead and provide this or use it for any means necessary that you want. But there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your serial number for your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.